Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford Fiesta headlight bulb. First, let's get prepared. You'll need a Torx T30 screwdriver and your new headlight bulb, often an H7 type. Begin by opening your car's bonnet and securing it safely with the prop rod. Next, locate the 2 or 3 retaining screws that hold the headlight unit in place, usually found along the top edge. Now, let's remove the headlight assembly. Use your Torx T30 screwdriver to unscrew the 2 or 3 retaining bolts you located. Once those are out, carefully reach behind the headlight unit and disconnect the main electrical wiring harness. There's usually a small tab to press. With the wiring free, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward and then lift it out of its mounting points. With the headlight assembly removed, you can now access the bulb. First, take off the rubber dust cover or twist the rear cap counterclockwise. Disconnect the old bulb's electrical connector, then rotate the bulb a quarter turn counterclockwise and pull it out. Carefully insert your new bulb, aligning its tabs, and twist it clockwise to secure. Remember, never touch the glass of the new bulb. It's time to put everything back together. Replace the rubber dust cover or twist the rear cap clockwise until it's secure. Reconnect the main electrical harness to the back of the headlight assembly. Carefully slide the entire headlight unit back into its mounting position, ensuring it sits flush. Reinstall the 2 or 3 Torx T30 retaining screws and tighten them. Finally, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly before closing the bonnet.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.